When comparing LeadPages versus Teachable for course creators, it's clear that both platforms offer something unique, but are they really the best fit for your needs? Let's break it down so you can make an informed decision. Now, LeadPages is a powerful tool that helps you design and optimize landing pages that convert. If you're a course creator and looking to build high-converting sales pages, lead capture pages, and even webinar registration pages, LeadPages has you covered. But here's the catch: while it's great for marketing and landing page design, it's not specifically tailored for course creation. You'd have to integrate it with other tools like Teachable or Thinkific to deliver the actual course content. So, while LeadPages can be an awesome marketing tool for driving traffic, it's not a one-stop shop for course delivery. Next, let's talk about Teachable. Teachable is built for course creators. It gives you everything you need to create, sell, and deliver your courses. From video hosting to quizzes and certificate generation, Teachable is purpose-built for teaching. The platform is incredibly user-friendly and makes setting up a course pretty straightforward, even for beginners. However, there are some limitations. For one, if you want to customize the design of your course pages, you might find Teachable a little restrictive. It's not as flexible as some other platforms in that sense. Now, here's the fourth thing to consider: pricing. LeadPages has a pricing model that can get a bit pricey, especially if you want access to more advanced features like A/B testing or webinar funnels. You're essentially paying for a landing page builder that you'll likely need to integrate with other tools to actually deliver your course content. On the other hand, Teachable's pricing is more straightforward, with plans that scale based on the number of students you have. But again, it lacks some flexibility and customization. But here's the thing: both LeadPages and Teachable do have some competitors that offer a more seamless, all-in-one solution. If you're a course creator looking for a platform that can handle everything from marketing to course delivery without needing multiple integrations, you might want to look into platforms like Kajabi or Thinkific. These tools combine the marketing power of LeadPages with the course delivery features of Teachable, which is a huge time saver and can make your life a lot easier. Lastly, let's talk about something that can really tip the scales for you. If you're still deciding between LeadPages and Teachable, here's the good news. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial for one of these platforms, plus some incredible benefits you won't find anywhere else. But I've also included some amazing alternatives that I believe are better for course creators like you. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can try them out and see which one works best for your needs. So, check out the links in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits, and let's take your course creation to the next level.